I am ecstatic to hear the judge's ruling today regarding our probationary employees.
How many employees are we talking about, those whom you represent?
I would have to say for those that we represent employees who are employed with the Department of Veterans Affairs. So across the board, I would have to say roughly 500 employees who were wrongfully terminated.
What did the judge essentially rule?
So the judge ruled in favor of bringing those displaced probationary employees back to work, and he ruled that those employees be brought back immediately.
Were you surprised that he made this ruling today? What was your reaction?
I didn't expect that he would make the ruling today, but I am just elated to know that those employees have some relief at this point.
What could happen next? You think there's any recourse that the government at this point can take?
Anything could happen, and at this time I cannot speculate.
The tone in the courtroom, listening to how the judge was discussing matters, especially with the U.S. attorney, what did you make of the tone? How would you describe that?
I believe the judge was disappointed because he, the same as all of us, are interested in the truth.
So we were all wondering if Charles Ezell, is that how you say his name? If he was going to show up today. Did you have any question at all whether going to wait for this truck to go by? Did that surprise you that he didn't come, or what?
Well, I don't have any comment.
And then, with this administration, it's not just eyes in San Francisco that were watching the court today. The whole world was really watching. What do you suppose the message that was sent from that courtroom?
I think the message that was sent from the courtroom today from the judge is that we are individuals and all of us deserve dignity and respect. And the way that the employees were wrongfully terminated, it was just simply wrong.
Can they be reinstated right away? What do you think is going to happen immediately? Do you think that this could happen as soon as today, or what do you suppose? What's going to happen next?
We are hopeful that some agencies will be able to bring their employees back immediately, as the judge stipulated. However, I do know that other agencies may have to wait for further guidance.
The notion of what is the message that this is sending the halls of power to around the world to your very workers? What message does this send?
So the message to me that it sends is that when the arc of justice bends, there's hope for the American people. And this just solidifies what the judge did today. It solidifies that by doing the right thing and for people standing up for what's right, I think we all win in the end.